If you're a first-time entrepreneur looking to build a valuable business, then this is a video that you need to see. One of the biggest things first-time entrepreneurs get wrong is that they fail to think about defensibility. You might be able to build a business that makes 100K a month, but then how do you stop the competition from coming in and copying your business? Making money is easy, but defending profits over the long term requires a good strategy. Business is all about competition. And if your business is making bank, why wouldn't someone else come along and just copy it? Look at all the most profitable businesses in the world, and you see that they absolutely dominate their market. As Peter Thiel says, competition is for losers. The more fierce the competition, the more your profit margins get eaten away. So how do you actually build a defensible business? A business that allows you to work less and earn more? Well, there's 5 different strategies that you can use to build a moat around your business that helps defend it from competitors. And I call these profit moats. Profit moats are simply what makes it hard for your competitors to copy you. Let's look at an example. Instagram actually has 4 out of 5 of the profit moats, which is why it's worth around $100 billion as just a fairly simple app. But the most important of the profit moats that Instagram uses is called network effects. Network effects means that every new user that joins the network makes it more valuable for the other users. So you join Instagram because your friends are there, and once you join, your friends are less likely to leave. This makes it incredibly hard for the competition to come along and copy that business, because a new user is more likely to join the biggest network, not one with only a few users. Now, listen up, because this is important. Why do you think Facebook spent $1 billion to buy Instagram? I mean, it's Mark Zuckerberg, right? He's pretty good at copying stuff. Well, it's because they couldn't copy it. Instagram already had network effects at that point, making it almost impossible to copy, even for a Goliath like Facebook. Making your business hard to copy is the key to creating insane wealth. So circling back to this idea about profit moats, Instagram's main profit moats, as we just discussed, is called network effects. And network effects are just one of 5 different types of profit moats. But even small businesses can use these moats to create wildly profitable businesses. So my advice to you, as someone who's built and sold 2 businesses for millions of dollars, is if you're just starting out, don't just think about making a profit. You should think about what strategy you'll use to defend those profits from the competition. Are you relying on luck and hoping your business will be defensible? Or do you have an actual game plan that makes it impossible for your competition to copy you?